Okay, hello. Just a quick impromptu video. I want to do a tour of my room at the MC Suites here in Toronto. So this is the front door when you come in. This is the closet. Just a regular standard closet, nothing spectacular. And you're immediately into the bedroom. Everything's open, not like a usual embassy where the living room and bedroom are separated. This is all open. So come in, there's the bed, clock, the living room. Excuse the mess. I should have done this when we first checked in, but I forgot. That is the living room, and this is the office space. They give you a luggage rack, of course your wet bar, and this is the bathroom. So, yep, this is what the room looks like. Hope you enjoyed. Oh, also, you do get a microwave and a mini fridge as well. I'll mention that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.